In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use variables in Snowflake queries. Variables in Snowflake can be a powerful tool to make your SQL statements more flexible and dynamic. They allow you to write queries that can easily adapt to different inputs without having to rewrite your code every time. This can save you time and effort, especially when you're working with large data sets or complex queries. So, let's dive into how you can effectively use them. First, let's start by understanding the basic concept. In Snowflake, a session variable is a temporary placeholder that holds a single value and can be used during an active session. Think of it as a way to store a value, like a user input, which you can refer back to anytime within the same session of your work. This is particularly handy in scenarios where your query's condition or logic is subject to change. To incorporate a session variable within your SQL statement, Snowflake has a distinct syntax. When you're using a session variable, it should be prefixed with a colon. This tells Snowflake that what follows is a variable, not a standard SQL keyword or identifier. To give you a practical example, consider the following scenario. You're working with a table named MyTable, and you want to filter results based on a specific condition. The column you're interested in is column name. Now, instead of hard-coding a value directly into your query, you can use a variable. Here's how your SQL statement will look like. Select from my table where column name equals my variable. In this example, my variable is the session variable you're using. Notice the use of a colon right before the variable name. This means that instead of typing a fixed value in the where clause, you're instructing Snowflake to look up the current value stored in my variable during execution. Now you might wonder, how do you assign a value to this variable? In Snowflake, you can use the set command to assign a specific value to your session variable. So before running the SQL statement, you simply need to set your desired value like this. Set my variable equals desired value. It's important to run the set command within the same session as your SQL query to ensure it recognizes the variable. This setup allows you to change the value quickly without altering the main body of your SQL statement. Another advantage of using variables is the ability to run iterative tasks or perform dynamic operations without altering your script. It centralizes the control of your filters and makes your script modular and easy to maintain. In summary, using variables in Snowflake queries is a versatile approach that enhances your control over data retrieval. By prefixing the variable name with a colon and setting their values within the same session, you bring flexibility and efficiency to your data analysis tasks. I hope this gives you a clearer understanding of how to work with session variables in Snowflake, streamlining your SQL queries to be both dynamic and efficient.